Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can share screen in Zoom meeting on laptop. So the process is really simple. You just need to follow this procedure I am going to show you. So without any further ado, let's get started. So I'll click over here to the start button and then I'll start my app Zoom. As you can see, we already have this Zoom workspace, but if it is not available in your computer, you just need to be installed that one. Once you did, then you will eventually access, like you will have the access of your Zoom. Then you can create a new meeting. Let's say I'm going to create a new meeting, and right now it will take a couple of minutes, and once it's done you just need to click over here start, and then eventually you will get the options. So from that place, if you want to share your screen, you just need to be click onto the share, and from that place you can easily click onto the share. You can easily share your screen in here. So the process is really simple. Here actually you can see it's already been shared. So if you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel. And then the next one is, if you want to stop that one, you just need to click over here stop share again. So in this way you can easily share your screen. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.